Robot vacuum cleaners have been on something of a surge in recent years. After all, if you have a full-time job, kids and pets, you'll know how much mess they can cause, and how little time you have to physically keep on top of it all. Now, one of the latest and greatest vacuums is called the Roborock S6. We've spent a few weeks with it, and there are plenty of reasons to love it. First up is intelligent mapping. Now, every time the Roborock goes around on its cleaning job, it relies on 14 different types of sensors. And it has a high precision laser mapping system to create a real-time map of your home as it's doing its thing. Then, using the app, you can watch as it works its way around the rooms and make sure it's progressing as it should. And if you want it to go over a particular area again, you can create individual zones or spot clean particularly busy areas. Just as usefully, create virtual barriers to ensure it doesn't go near specific areas if you have a cat bowl, for instance. And because it does its mapping in real time, it doesn't matter if obstacles have moved around, or if this time a door to another room is shut. It'll clean where it can get to, and what it sees, even maneuvering under tables and around chairs. Now, second is its cleaning capabilities. Now, the Roborock is a powerful unit that can clean really effectively. Using the app again, you can adjust the setting to balance between noise and power, with the max setting being the most effective, but also the loudest of the four available. With the cleaning brush featuring both bristles and flexible rubber fins, it's just as comfortable cleaning hard floors as it is carpets. What's more, with the 5200 mAh battery inside, it can keep going for up to 3 hours before needing to recharge if you're using it on the quiet setting. Oh, and with the detachable water tank, it can lightly mop hard floors too, which, if done regularly, does a great job of ensuring your floor doesn't get sticky and grimy. The third reason is easy maintenance. Now, another thing we love about the Roborock is just how easy it is to maintain. The S6's tank that holds all the dust and debris is really easy to pop out and empty. And then if the main cleaning roller under the unit gets tangled up or needs removing for any reason, that's also very simple to remove and pop back in again. In fact, you can even remove the ends, which make it easy to get tangled hair and fibers out. Fourth reason is washable filters. Along with the easy maintenance is the fact that you can wash the filters and the bin away from the unit. What's more, the S6 comes with an extra filter, which you can use while you're waiting for that clean filter to dry off. Fifth and lastly is easy docking and recharging. So far in the weeks that we've used the Roborock, it's found its charging station at the end of the cleaning session every time without fail, even though we tucked it away in the corner of a room. So those are your reasons why we love the Roborock S6. Let us know what you think in the comments. If you want to check out the Roborock S6 in more detail, there are links in the description box below where you can also buy one. I'll see you again soon.